Hey guys, Rhett here at my client Jerry and Lillian's first Section 8 rental, guys. I am so excited for them. This house behind me, they're spending $69,000 renovating, and we're doing a hell of a job in here. I'm so excited for them taking a house that originally was a 3 bedroom, 1.5 bath, turning it into a 5 bedroom, 2 bath. Phenomenal. So excited for them. Lot of things being done here, a lot of renovation, brand new roof, full rewire, full replumb, new HVAC, brand new vinyl siding on the entire house. So a lot of stuff being done here. We are in probably the 80 percentile, I would say. We're almost done with the replumb. The rewire's been completed, minus the final set out of light fixtures, switches, that sort of thing. So still need a couple final inspections, but we added a bunch of bedrooms here. We're gonna walk through it. Still needs all the finish work, and another 20% is still needed here. So let's walk through and we'll talk about it. But really nice area. Walking through here, we're in our first living room. So we built this wall right here to create bedroom number 1 right upon the entry. This was a first living room that then transitioned into a second living room. So kind of a wasted dead space. On the right, we have bedroom number 2. So people are working in there right now, but we've got bedroom number 2 right here. So immediately upon your entry, you've got bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2. Okay. Now, everything in this house is rewired, as you can see. So all new outlets and wiring everywhere, and that will be a theme that you guys, I'm sure at this point, are used to in a lot of these houses that we do, and you can see that especially here, all brand new wires, because our most common maintenance items are always going to be electrical and plumbing. So anytime we're doing a large renovation, we always try to make sure we can hit those two things. So we did that here. Now, what you guys have seen in the past is us making sure that we're not sacrificing too much living space for bedrooms. We don't want to just turn the house into a giant dorm room where it's or a hotel style where there's no common space. So in this instance, we have a little area. You can create a little sitting area when you walk in, but then you have a larger living room right here. So you put your TV up on the wall, put your big couch in here, and you've got plenty of space here as well. So living room, which then transitions into bedroom number 3, okay? So put a bunch of new windows in here too. Bedroom number 3, get your closet in the corner. Still, of course, a lot of finish work that needs to be done here. Still some funny things in the house I want to show you as well as we work our way into the kitchen and laundry room. But so 3 bedrooms immediately pretty much upon entry, and then still 2 bedrooms left to go. Now, as we walk into our kitchen area, this is our kitchen. We put of course, this is for our vent and our stove vent. So our stove will go right here. We decided we're going to move that. We're going to actually move that to here. So we're going to have to recut that and run a different wire to here. But cabinets, because of the replumb, if you guys come over here, you can see we have our new water lines here. We have our new drain line. We'll redo all the flooring in here as well. And then, of course, we need our sink and our sink fixture. And then the laundry room too. So you come through here. This is upside down. This is not us. This was here when we got here, which is funny. But we have our bathroom number 1 in the back of the house. So you'll get brand new toilet, brand new vanity. Right here, washer dryer hookups, all brand new with our new drain lines and water lines as well. All new electrical there too. We will do, as you can see, our all new for our recessed lighting. But as we walk back through the kitchen, we have our final 2 bedrooms. So bedroom 1, or really bedroom 4 on the left, bedroom 5 right here. So this was another addition that we made. And then you have a Jack and Jill style bathroom, which of course all this is getting ripped out. This plumbing is all brand new in here too. We have to leave it open before we get our plumbing final inspections. And then of course this toilet trash, vanity trash, and all new plumbing in there too. So in terms of progress here, like I said, we're about 80% of the way done. I love this house. because anytime we have the opportunity to do everything, it always works best in the long run. When we take a home that's a 3, turn it into a 5. When we take a house and we can update all the mechanicals, it's gonna eliminate all of our maintenance for this house. It's in a great area, it's got a good layout, it's a good size house. After repair value on this is gonna be very, very high. Jerry and Lillian are into this thing for a little bit over $110,000. The appraisal on something like this is gonna come back close to $150,000. So it's a really, really good investment opportunity. Plus, putting a tenant in here paying $1,400 to $1,500 a month in guaranteed income every single month, you can't beat it, especially when you look at what's going on in the world today, and you can put money in the stock market today, put $100 in, and next week it might be $80. So we wanna make sure that we are buying assets that we can touch, that we understand, that are gonna cash flow, that are gonna generate that income for us monthly and yearly, but they're also appreciating in value. And a lot of people don't talk about that. When you have an investment that gives you money every single month, you don't even realize the other piece to that, which is the appreciation of the underlying asset. So yes, it's great because you get passive income, but at the same time, now you have an asset that you can refinance if you guys want to use the Burr method, pull your money out, now roll this one into another one, which I know Jerry and Lillian are very, very serious about, which this house would be a phenomenal opportunity to do that. But in the instance that you didn't want to do that, you still have an asset that appreciates, that has a lot of liquidity, because the people want to buy units that are turnkey with Section 8 tenants in place. So guys, if you want to do this, you want to follow in the footsteps of Jerry and Lillian, you want to build your portfolios and do it in a market that you've never been to before, you've never bought property before, but you're afraid to do it with me and my teams, and we have everything in-house, be able to do this for you and be able to control these things without you ever seeing them. If you guys want to do that, we'd love to work with you. Send me an email in the description below. We'll get started, and we'll see you next time.